How to become a practicing Muslim? Number one, start by fixing your prayers. Prayers are the backbone of your Iman. So do not lose it. Start with your first prayers 5 times a day, on time, and keep going. Then you can, jump into Nafil and Sunnahs, etc. Reading Quran. At least start with 1 page a day. 1 page a day. And once you are consistent enough, you will get that practice and you can go for more pages. You can also give charity. Charity doesn't mean you should give a lot of currencies or gold, nothing. Even the little of the little money you have, maybe a dollar, a real, or a rupee, doesn't matter. Whatever you have, even if you have any food or maybe a date, whatever, even a smile, even your smile is a charity, yeah. So you can do that. Then start at least something you give away daily. Gaining more knowledge. Gaining knowledge is very important to keep you on track. You should gain knowledge. The more you gain knowledge, the more you're closer to Allah, about Islam, obviously. Then you should, like as Islam teaches, the basic etiquettes, you should follow it. That's it. And inshallah, you will become a good Muslim.